Hey you guys, what's up? Charlie here with Prior Media. I wanted to kind of talk about something really quick that I think is important to just say because I've had sort of an influx lately with people, people all around the world that communicate with me. Um, People have been asking questions related to how to get things for free. Um, which is okay. I mean, that's human nature. We want things for free. Everyone wants things for free. But um, if you've been around the internet at all, if you've, I guess, been alive through the internet age in any way, you're probably familiar with what pirating is, or at least you've heard of the process of downloading things that are normally something that costs money and downloading them for free. Um, and by all means, you have, go for it if that's what you're into. Um, I don't approve of it. I don't do it, but if you want to, then go ahead. But there's a difference between, and the most common things that are pirated are usually music, movies, games, and then software as well. But there is a difference between downloading a song and downloading a WordPress theme and a WordPress plugin. Specifically, I'm talking to the people who are, I guess, on this channel or at least follow this channel or are looking at this channel because of something related to WordPress, the X theme or whatever it was. For those people, the questions I've been getting mostly are related to how do I get this plugin for free? I don't want to pay for it. I'm never going to answer that question for you. I'm never going to tell you that because, and I can't imagine a situation where what I'm about to tell you is inaccurate. I don't see a situation where, I just don't see a situation where I'm ever wrong about this. So take this, don't take it with a grain of salt, just take it, okay? You need to hear it. It's something that if you've ever considered doing it, if you've ever considered looking for a free version of a paid product that is not distributed by the developer. In other words, it's not like a light version. It's the actual real premium version that normally costs $15, $20, $60, whatever it is, for free on the internet somewhere. If that's you, if you've ever looked at that and considered that, then you need to hear this. Okay? There will never be an okay time to download something for free that's normally paid when it comes to WordPress themes and plugins. There will never be a time. If you value your data, your security, I'm not even talking about the ethics of it, all right? That's not what I'm talking about. The ethics, you got that, you understand that already. You're either okay with it or you're not, and that's fine, whatever. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about actual data. I'm talking about the technical end of things. If you value your data, if you find this to be something that is important to you, your security, the security of your customers, anyone who's visiting your site, then you will not do this. You will not go out and look for free versions of paid products. You will buy it directly from the developer. It is super easy. Like, it's stupid easy. I could do it, and I don't even code. It is stupid easy to change the code of a WordPress theme or a WordPress plugin and re-upload it as a free version. It is ridiculously easy. And the only reason anyone ever uploads a WordPress theme for you to download for free, the only reason anyone ever takes a premium plugin like Visual Composer, like Layer Slider, like Uber Menu, whatever it is, the only reason anyone ever takes one of those premium things that cost money and re-uploads it on a pirate site for you to download is because they want to make money off of you. I know it sounds backwards, but that's true. They have altered that code. You won't be able to find out how. You will not know where to look. You will not know how to delete it. And once you've installed it on your site, you will not be able to get rid of it. It's just the way it is. It is stupid easy to change code inside a theme or a plugin. And that code that they put in could be as simple as a couple of lines of JavaScript. It could be as a little more complicated. Maybe it's some PHP built right into the core of it. Maybe they've reworked it entirely to where there's always going to be tons of spam sent out using your bandwidth to hundreds of thousands of people. It could do anything. It could packet sniff the data that's being entered into the database so that it knows email addresses from all of your customers, including yourself, who log into your site every day. It could try to sniff out transactions that are happening so it knows the products and relays it back. It could just target people with ads. It could put little tiny bits of code into anyone who ever visits your site. They could put malware into those cache files. When a browser downloads a website, when a browser visits a website and they take the cache, they cache that data is still data. It's still downloaded data into the web browser's cache. And if you're using a Windows application, if you're using a Windows computer or a Linux computer or even Mac OS X, there are ways to infect your computer through those cache files. And it's super easy and super stupid easy to do if you're going to download a WordPress theme or plugin for free when it normally costs money. The only time it's okay, there's only one time when it's okay to download a premium product, or premium WordPress theme or a premium WordPress plugin for free when it's normally paid. Only one time. And that is if the original developer of that plugin, the source of where it comes from, has decided to do so. If they've decided to upload it for free for you. Or they've had a sale and they're like, you can have it for $1 today. That is the only time. Get it from the source every time. There's no excuse. There's just simply none. It's just dumb. Don't do it. Please. For your own sake, don't do it. There's a huge difference between doing songs. I could care less if you download songs. You could download movies, you can download games. I don't care. All right? That's fine. If there's one thing you can take from me, at least from this channel anyway, it's that your data security is worth more than $50. Okay? And if it's not worth more than $50 to you, if you don't care about that, then at least think of the potentially hundreds or thousands of people that will visit your site. At least think of them. Other people who are, for lack of a better term, innocent people, who have no idea what they're getting into. And as soon as you get tagged by Google as having malware on your site, on your domain, as soon as you get blacklisted for that, you're done. Like, game over. Might as well not even be on the internet. Let's get a new domain, change my brand. It's super complicated. If you want to be a professional, right? I get this all the time. I want a professional looking website, right? Charlie, help me. I'm a professional this, and I want my site to look better, right? I understand that. You don't create websites for a living. That you're not supposed to know that stuff. I get that. I produce content for a living, like on the internet. I build websites, okay? And even I don't know everything about it, okay? There's stuff I don't even know. You're not supposed to know this stuff, okay? You're not supposed to. You can learn it, right? You can take the time to learn it. But then you have to value whether or not your time is worth, like, how much is your time worth? How much money is your time worth? And then you have to weigh whether or not the 40 hours of work it's going to take you to learn how to do this and get it looking how you want, is that 40 hours of your own time worth less or worth more than the 5 or 6 hours it would take to pay somebody like me to do it for you? Or the, less time than that it would take for someone like me to teach you how to do it, right? Learning on your own takes a lot more time than learning from someone who knows how to do it and knows how to teach it. That's the difference. Not just knowing how to do it, but knowing how to teach it. That's the difference. And so just like your time is valuable, so is your data security. That's where I'm going with this, right? You pay for so many things for your business. You pay for so many things for your brand. You outsource to wherever for designs, probably. You pay marketing people. You do SEO work, probably. For your physical store, you have people who clean your floors. You have people who sell your products. You have people who manage your finances. You have people who are in charge of sales. You have people who are in charge of product development, whatever it is. You pay for all of these things because you know that they are valuable. You know that they are worth what you're paying because you need that to succeed. You also need security to succeed. You also need reliability, stability to succeed. If you're grabbing things that are going to endanger your online store, endanger your online presence, kill your brand on Google, is that worth the free? Or would you rather pay the $20 and get it legit, supported, and updated? All for like what it's supposed to be. So I just wanted to put that out there. I know most of the people watching this don't have this problem. Most of the people watching this are totally fine. But I just got this influx for the last week. It seems like every other message is someone wanting free help or wanting something for free. It's like, hey, can you, where can I get this? You can get it from here. Yeah, but it costs money there. Yeah, because it costs money. That's what it is. That the person who put a whole bunch of time into making that for you and made it usable for you so that it fills the need that you have. Welcome to capitalism. Welcome to the free market. They've created something for you, and you look at that and you go, wow, that's valuable. Is it? Because you don't want to pay for it, so how valuable really is it? So that's all I wanted to say. For your own sake, for your own security, please do not download free versions of paid products when it pertains to WordPress, really Joomla or any other web application. If it is something that's supposed to be on a server, if it's something that's supposed to be connected to the internet to have any use or function, please do not pirate that. Because you're just asking for pain. And you're definitely going to get it. Also, for those who may have noticed, this is not an advertisement. I'm not promoting them. I just happen to be wearing the shirt. I'm sorry. I'm a fan. So anyway, take care, guys. Thanks for listening to me babble, and I hope you heed this advice.